To get this video started, we're gonna take the top off on our Dodge Dakota pickup truck. This is ridiculous. And that is how you install your boot for the convertible top on your 89 Dodge Dakota convertible. Pretty rad. There are a couple of zippers. You can sew this shut if you'd like to. This car has a great story. It's in all original condition, one of just 800, and has just 19,000 miles. This is very much Dodge Dakota everywhere you look until we get to the cab. Up front, we have factory blacked out bumpers, lower valence, nice fog lamp covers, a really slick grille, and none of this is showing too much wear. This looks great. Grill isn't cracked up, not faded, badge is still standing proud. We got the ram horns right on the edge of this hood. This is powered by a 3.9 liter V6. She's got fuel injection, dual master cylinder, power brakes, power steering, and that is about it. All of the paint on our inner fenders, our firewall, you see it shows incredibly well. And it is all original. Paint on the underside of this hood looks great. You don't find Dodge Dakotas, this era this clean hardly ever, let alone one of the very few convertibles ever built. These originally hit auto shows as a concept vehicle or a prototype, and with rave reviews, Dodge actually made it. Had a hard time finding anything comparable to this on the interwebs. Had nice over fenders, and we're riding on Goodyear Invictas, and this is a 215/75 on a 15-inch wheel. Have our factory installed graphics package. I like how the color fades to black on the rockers and lower bed sides. Slick little fuel door there. Over fenders in the back look good. It's a square set of wheel and tire. Nice bumper. Got a rubber step on top of it. Tailgate is super clean. Got a snap-in bed liner. It's a 6-foot box. Sweeping down the passenger bedside. Same beautiful graphics, same nice over fenders, laser straight bedsides. I don't see any dings to note. Doors and handles look good. We got sport mirrors. Nice tall and proud antenna coming out of the fender. Very slick truck. All right, the doors open up like a new truck. Over here on the driver's door, you have a sticker from ASC, commonly known for putting sunroofs where they don't belong, chopping tops. Pretty cool. This is one they had their hands on, I guess, converting to convertibles. Now for these door cards. Condition is great. No cracks, nothing ugly. Power door lock, power windows. Find the same controls on both sides. We have a beautiful bench seat in here. I love the cloth velour in the red. Dakota embroidered in the seats. Cool color pattern. Changing up of materials. Center armrest, or potentially a third passenger. I like that. Steering wheel, I think this is leather, it sure feels like it. Perforated leather, pretty horn button with the Penn-Star in the middle. Have a brushed overlay on top of our dash here. Instrument cluster is clear as day. None of the lettering is faded, and you see it there, 19,900 miles. It says attack, redlining at 5,000 RPMs, fuel gauge, oil pressure, coolant temp, voltmeter, all that fun stuff. This is a column shift automatic. We do have an overdrive button over here. Switch for the fog lamps just downstairs here. Little storage or ashtray. Nice factory radio, heater controls, and a little cigarette lighter here. Dash pad is in great shape. Something Dodge is not known for at all, especially trucks of this era. Nice bit of storage here. Couple of cup holders, that's really slick. Glove box down here. Simple, more good storage. And we have original owner's manuals. Look at this Dodge Dakota convertible. Holy cow. Very nice. We've got it all. Seals up good, and that is the interior of your Dakota. Alright, radio's working sweet. Motor purrs like a little kitten, and we're already turning heads. I like it. Yeah, if the Ferrari isn't cutting it anymore, this is definitely gonna get you a lot of looks. Great beach cruiser, great grocery getter, one hell of a truck even. Yeah, everything in front of me seems to be working good. The tach, however, is sitting still. I don't know if that gets signal off a coil or if it's a cable off the trans, but that's currently an op. Blower motor working good. All of our lights are doing their thing. We have a vent pull right over here. I'm assuming the vent is somewhere under the dash. Like that, feels smooth. Odometer is in fact working. Brakes feel great. And this little 3.9 is purring. Runs very smooth, shifts all the gears nicely. Just what you'd expect with such low miles. Yeah. And it, sitting in here, it kind of reminds you of being in a smoother Jeep. A Jeep with a longer wheelbase and maybe better suspension. Truck is smooth and stable at 55 miles an hour. Before we go, guys, quick recap. Super fun truck. Very pleased with its overall condition, the way it drives, the performance, the versatility. Come on, baby. This thing's really cool. Haven't owned one before, was geeked to get this one, and I actually was able to get it from the original owner. And this fella, funny enough, was the auto show presenter for the Dodge Dakota convertible, and he bought 2 of them brand new, and this is one of them. If you don't know anything more about it, if you want to make it yours, call us up. It's 248-714-2110, or hit us with an email. It's inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. All of that will be down in the description, along with a link to view the full listing on our site. That's where you can find the price, the underbody pictures, close-ups of the documentation, all that fun stuff. If you want a Carfax, we got that for you too. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you in the next clip. We got more cars to do.